What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're here today with the day that I've been waiting for the most. Literally, the day I've been waiting for the most. And that's to take this clutch and flywheel off so I could take the flywheel to get resurfaced. After the flywheel gets resurfaced, we could finally install that CLUTCHMASTERS FX350 to this car. And that's the most I've been waiting for. Like 2 weeks out of this whole 2 weeks process, that's the main thing I've been wanting to do, is take this clutch and flywheel off and get it out the car and throw it away, because that CLUTCHMASTERS box has been sitting there for like more than 3 weeks, bro. And I just need it to be installed, man. I'm tired of this clutch slipping, and I'm tired of waiting 2 weeks already. It's about to be a month, I'm pretty sure. After I install all of this, it's probably gonna be like 3 weeks. And I can't wait to drive it. I haven't drove this car in a while, and I just can't wait. So anyways, we're gonna start unbolting the clutch out of the flywheel, and then after we unbolt the clutch, we're gonna unbolt the flywheel, because I need to get that resurfaced, because I'm gonna reuse that flywheel. If you're not gonna reuse the flywheel, then you don't have to resurface it, but it's gonna cost you more money. I think it's like $600, $500 around there for a flywheel. Now it might have benefits, and I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna use the stock one, so I'm gonna get it resurfaced. Because if you use the flywheel that's on your stock clutch and then you put your new clutch in with that flywheel, it's basically, the best example I could give is like a grinder, because that flywheel is working with this stock one, and so all the wear and tear that this clutch is giving the flywheel, you are basically gonna put the new clutch in, and it's gonna be like basically like a blender. It's gonna scratch it up, fuck it up, and it's just bad. Don't do that. Resurface your flywheel, save yourself some time and money. You do not want to do this again. So if you're gonna do this, take the transmission out of the car so you can do your flywheel like I did, you do not want to do this all over again. Trust me, this is something I do not want to repeat. So I'm making sure I'm doing it right. So that's why we're going to resurface the flywheel, and then we're going to install the FX350 clutch, which I got over there in the box. And just to show you guys, because I don't know if you guys may be new to the video, new to the channel. If you are new to the channel, thanks for joining me. This is my 2018 Honda Accord. Just took the trans out. That's right there over there. And if you haven't seen that video and you want to know how to take the transmission out of this car, it's going to be on my channel. All you got to do is search it up, or I might have it up here somewhere. The link above. Might. If not, go in the description box, or just go on my channel, it should be there. But this is my CLUTCHMASTERS FX350 clutch. These are all the parts I'm going to install. Also, make sure you stay tuned. Mishimoto oil catch can, and upper torque mount that we need to install. Clutch right here, CLUTCHMASTERS performance clutch, FX350, by the way, just in case you guys were wondering. That's the one I went with. CLUTCHMASTERS FX350 should handle more than 400 horsepower. Should, hope. Anyways, so let's get to the video, which is basically unbolting that thing. You're gonna need this weird tool right here. I'm gonna show you guys. It's like that shape. Look, if the camera will focus, because it's, you know, it's been not focusing lately for some reason. Come on, camera. Alright, see that weird star shape? It's like a whole bunch of stars or whatever. That's what you're gonna need to unbolt this guy right here. And mind you, the flywheel and the clutch is gonna be spinning, so you might want to use something to hold it. What I'm just gonna do is a tactic. I just put this and then I hit it down a whole bunch of times until it loosens. You're gonna see in the video right now how we're gonna do this. So yeah, so basically there's about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looks like about 6. I'm not sure. We're gonna, when I take them all out, I'll let you guys know. It looks like it's about 6 bolts that you're gonna have to take out to take this clutch off. So yeah, let me put you guys like around up here somewhere, stable you guys real good, and you guys will watch me from there. Alright, so what you basically want to do, we're gonna do it like this. Uncomfortable as hell, but so it's gonna spin. Look, you see how it spins? So if you want to avoid that, you can probably pry it with a freaking flathead or something. Lock it in place real quick. see if that locks it real quick. There we go. There you go. See how it's loose? Once you pry it in place, it will help loose. Got it. Should be the last one. There we go. This one's out. Clutch real quick. And our flywheel. It's a thick boy, right? So just to show you guys real quick, before I try to find this, if I have that size or not. I don't know if I have those size screws. Gotta check. But this is the clutch. Yep, clutch plate. So yeah, I don't know if that's like signs of slippage or bad clutch or whatever, but that's my clutch. Now I gotta see if I find the bolt for this flywheel, take it off. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. So I find a solid 18. Same shape. See all those stars? Size 18. So let's attempt to take it off. See if it lets me loosen it without no issues. If not, then I'm gonna have to go buy the tool that I need. But we're gonna see if this works. So found a tool I could use. It's my torque wrench, but I got nothing else, so we gotta do what we gotta do, right? Alright, so now we gotta do that stupid holding shit again. Alright. Until later. Alright, so let's try this again with the impact gun. So let me jack this again with the book. It's cold in this garage, super cold. See how this works. Wow, that's fucking crazy. Look how fast that came out. Literally instant. Wow. That's fucking crazy. I'm barely even doing anything. That's insane. This fucking impact gun is insane. Literally like nothing. That was so easy compared to how I was trying to do it by hand. So definitely recommend impact gun. That's for sure. All the bolts out. So let's see. Oh, and it's heavy. Woo. It's out. Finally. And that's how you take out a flywheel. And it's heavy. Oh man. Let me show you guys how this looks real quick. You see how all the black? That's not good. So I gotta get that resurfaced to look clean, you know? It has to be shiny. Like a polish, like a buffer polish type shit. So that's why we need to resurface this before we put the new clutch in. So that's what I'm gonna go do next. But that will be for the next video for the install. Let me show you guys the impact gun that I got, which is this one right here. It's crazy impact gun, bro. This is even better than the electric one that I got, which is the one over here that I couldn't find a battery pack for. That just sucks compared to this. This is a Hopper Freight one. It cost me 120 bucks, but 1,050 foot-pounds bolt breaking torque. 26 RPM, 8.5 cord impact wrench. This shit's crazy and is amazing. So in case you guys are wondering how to take off the flywheel bolts, there you go right here. Impact gun, 1,050 foot-pounds. Shit's amazing. I'm keeping it. I was gonna return it, but I think I might end up keeping it. That shit's fucking strong. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you guys out in any way, shape, or form. I hope it did, because I'm probably the only one that's doing this and showing you guys how to do it by myself without a shop. This is just me in my garage doing it myself. So I'm showing you guys that you could do it on your own if you own a recorder, SI, or any 10th gen type of model. So hope this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, and if it did, just leave me a like, comment down below if it did, and just support me by subscribing to the channel. Stay tuned for new videos. Share the video through all social medias to help me grow. We're at like 629 subscribers from this moment right now, so let's see if we get to at least 650, which is a few more subscribers, and then from there we're going to go to 700. We could do it, bro. I'm doing a lot of crazy stuff right now. I just took the trans out, which is over there, which is the video you've seen before this video, and the flywheel now, and then we're gonna resurface it and install it, and we're gonna go for that, you know, dyno tune after we install all these upgrades, and then obviously the quarter mile, see if we could break the record for this 10th gen Accord 1.5T. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.